He doesn't even know I'm videoing.
Oh, give me that. Get that stick. You don't like that stick.
Wouldn't it be easier just to grab a broom, babe?
I feel like it. I thought I turned it on and I was like, oh, maybe something would be. Go in there. There's cat hairs in there. In there. All the way underneath.
It's
man.
under. Here it comes. Oh, it gets one. Coming back. What do you think, Toby? You don't like that thing, do you?
I'm gonna spray.
All right. Later.